In this very challenging time, it's helpful to see these moments
as opportunities to draw closer to our families,
our friends, and our local community.
Please help out if you can.
Pick up the phone and call that friend or relative you seldom speak to.
And you don't really have to know what to say. Just say you're thinking of them. That'll mean the world to them.
See this as an opportunity to reconnect and rebuild relationships.
See this as a unique opportunity to take the time to come together with those that we love.
See this as an opportunity to rethink what we do and how we do it, and for those things that matter in life.
This is the moment where the world is coming together, country between country, people between people.
This is a moment we've all come together to defeat a common enemy, a global enemy.
Collectively, we are powerful, and we are displaying that each and every day.
We are the athletes where teamwork is critical in winning.
We are scientists, we are doctors, we are life science executives.
Working together to develop vaccines and treatments that ultimately can improve lives.
Our success depends on each other.
Our success depends on each other.
Our success depends on each other.
Whether it is on the field, in the lab, office, or at home.
Stay safe, stay together, stay healthy.
Stay safe.
Stay together.
And stay healthy.
Stay safe, stay together, and stay healthy.